So question number one, probably the biggest question, the most common question, what is AI? Now that might sound like a really simple question, or maybe it's a very complex question, but it's the thing that most people are confused about. I'm confused about it. I'm in this world, I spend most of my time thinking about this, talking about it, delivering stuff to our clients. But what actually is AI? Now, yes, you're going to hear LLM this, generative AI that, Copilot this, model that, right? Forget all of that. You don't need to worry about any of that. Here is my very simple explanation of what AI is. AI is a brain in a jar. Remember those old science fiction cartoons and movies where there'd be this great big brain in a jar, a big glass jar? That's what AI is really. It basically is high intelligence. Imagine Einstein or Shakespeare's brain in a jar. And you can ask it questions, you can interact with it, and all of that kind of stuff. So it's brilliant. And then over the last year or so, they've added ears to this brain in the jar. So now it can hear, you can talk to it, you can speak to it. It's actually, they've got eyes now as well. So it can see things. You can show it stuff or paste stuff in and it will do it. And that's really all you need to know about it. And I guess it also shows you some of the limitations of AI in that it is just a brain in a jar. You can ask it questions, you can show it stuff, ask it about stuff, interact with it, but it can't do anything. I know that might sound a bit bizarre, but it can't do anything. It can't interact with your systems. It can't make you a cup of tea. It can't do a million things in your business. It can't process your invoices for you. And so that's where the concept of the brain in the jar being just AI. It's just the intelligence. And then what I'm going to talk about in the next video is automation. And automation really is the key to all of this. Everyone's talking about AI. It really is the poster boy. And don't get me wrong, it's amazing. But without any hands, without its ability to act in our real world, in our real businesses, it's not that powerful. It's very clever, but not that powerful. So join me for the second question, which is, what is automation?